Hello, my name is Sabine Raveschot. I'm from Europe. I'm a PSYCH-K instructor, and I am going to teach a workshop together with Mary. Mary?
Yes, hi, I'm Mary Mazur, and I live in Michigan, just outside Detroit, United States of America. So on the other side of the pond. And
Yeah.
I'm also a PSYCH-K instructor, yes. So we're going to unite, yes, the two of us. So this is, we wanted to here get the message out for those who are ready, who are really ready to make the changes within their lives and willing to, go within themselves and have the self-responsibility and to access what no longer is serving them anymore. Yeah. And to be able to rewrite your life by literally rewriting the programs in your subconscious mind.
Yes. So if you're struggling with yourself or whatever you're feeling or mentally, or maybe with the surroundings or everything what's going on in the world for right now, it's a lot is going on. So I can imagine that your system gets overloaded or that you don't know where to go anymore or where to look anymore or what to do. So if you have this, then actually there's a lot of programs that are active in your subconscious mind. For me, that's my library of every experience, everything that I had during this life. And whatever is going on in the world, it's triggering me because I'm very sensitive. So I pick up every energy that's going on. And with the process of PSYCH-K, I was able to transform everything what's blocking me. And that's what we want to offer for humanity too, so that you can join and help to transform everything.
Exactly. Yay. And we continue to use it, right? You and I use it with ourselves each day and check in. This is a tool you can use on a daily basis. I call it like drinking water. Like water's a really good thing to have and drink.
Absolutely.
To clear out the things that no longer serve you and bring in beautifulness. And how much are we using the clearing out and the updating within our mental bodies and emotional bodies and even our physical bodies, where this actually helps in all three, and spiritual bodies. So it's helping in all areas in a very simple, powerful and effective way.
Yeah, true. So we are offering workshops where you can learn how to do it with yourself, so that you are totally independent from somebody else, that you can work with yourself whenever you want, whenever you need it. So, and it's in the end of January that we have an online one. And what will we learn there? First, we have, you can say.
Oh, okay, sure. And it's January 28th, 29th, and 30th. So, and we'll talk about the time when it starts. So it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, and you're in the convenience of your own home. It will be through Zoom. You and I will come from both parts of the world and bring the world together. For those who are ready to, to learn this tool and use it for yourself, for your own personal transformation. So in the beginning, we do begin, Bruce Lipton. Dr. Bruce Lipton is a cell biologist, an amazing being here, teaching us that the power that we really have, especially when you can reprogram your subconscious mind, which is one of the best tools is PSYCH-K. And for Bruce Lipton, it was the best tool that he uses for himself. So he made a video just for this online workshop for the ones who attend, a 70-minute video where you will learn the science, the understanding, and really grasp how we're created and made and how we were misinformed. It was very distorted of the illusions of the things we were taught, and to how to bring that back together again and to stand in our power. This is really a self-empowering program, which is phenomenal beyond measure. Yes. So then after his video, you want to share what we're going to do after the video? Yeah. Thank you.
Then we learn how to muscle test with our subconscious so that we can go in conversation with it, so we can get the information out of the library to know whatever programs are running that we are not aware of. So we learn it with a very specific way of self-muscle testing. And when we know what is going on in the subconscious, we will learn the next step, and it's how to transform all these subconscious programs into something what we want to have, or the program we would like to have.
Exactly. We call it a balance process change, where you literally balance your left and right hemispheres of your brain. You balance whatever your conscious desires are, and then bring your subconscious mind to have those same programs, as long as it's safe and appropriate for you, because this is a spiritual process, and you have to go through the gateway of your, we call it your superconscious mind, or the part of you connected with all knowingness, to make sure that it is safe and appropriate. So before you make any change, it's great to know that it does have to be safe and appropriate for you and for the world. So yay. So you get to actually come up with your own way of what you would love. Find out, instead of focusing on what you don't want, use that of what you don't like or don't want, or what's blocking you, to be able to shift it into what you're ready for. How do you really want to be? Yes. Exactly. Yeah. And then do you want to talk about transforming perceptions? Because I love that part too, because this is, you know, within 3 days, it's amazing.
Yeah, we can use it in several ways. We can use with goal statements, whatever beliefs you want to believe about yourself, but also with the perception. So because I'm so high sensitive, I almost only do the perceptions, because my body is resonating on everything. So I bring it always back into peace, my body into peace, because that's the most important for me to have, of to be in. If I have my peace, I have my own unique being, my true self, and I can live it. So, but it is, we can use it for how you look at situations, how you feel situations. You can use it when you have a headache, or if you're ill, you're sick, because actually everything works on we reactivate our self-healing ability. And that's the most precious thing that a human body can have. And go back in freedom with it. Beautiful. And that's the beauty of PSYCH-K.
Because majority of Americans, but a majority of the humanity across the world, we were born in the energy of fear. I know I sure was, where it was a very, a lot of us didn't feel like this place was very safe, you know, and most of us have seen harsh things happen either to us or to others when we were younger. And so our subconscious mind wrote us those programs to protect us, to guard us, to block us, to, you know, think that by hiding, we can be safer that way. But then that just shuts us all up. You know, I know that's for me. And then I started having health issues and started having, relationship issues, financial issues, because those are all letting you know that way doesn't work. Yeah, it's a separation. So this is the gift, is to return and to back into the true essence of who we are, and open up and to live in love instead of fear. And this is the gateway, which is so precious. So it's for whoever's ready, and that's why we're here. I know I'm so grateful. I know you are too, Sabine, that we were moved to do this in service for humanity and for ourselves. Absolutely. And like I had said into another video, that I was a birth nurse and I helped people birth babies, moms, babies, and now I help people birth their true essence. So you will be able to, with your free will intention, is birth your true essence again. Remember who you are again and be that. And you get to actually let go of the past and begin anew and live a brand new birthing of your new self. And that's, to me, one of the most precious gifts, especially during this time. So we can live freely, powerfully, in love, and come unite and create the new world that we're being called to create here. Right? Yeah.
And then you see all the possibilities, different possibilities. And when you're in fear, you shut down. And when you're in peace, you open up. So it's magical.
It is, yeah. So we welcome you. I know on both of the links we'll have below us, to go to your website for your link and my website for my link. To look, if you're ready, we invite you. There is a limited number. We will be closing out the workshop once the seats are filled, but there are some spots left. So first come, first serve for that. We honor you and we look forward to having you live your true essence here. And it's January 28th, 29th, and 30th. And you can look at the times when the time is on the link. Sound good?
Yes. The time zones in Europe will be in the afternoon, in the evening, and in your time zone, it will be morning.
Right, early afternoon. Yeah, exactly. So America will be up early in the morning doing this, and then you guys in the afternoon. So, all right. Well, beautiful. Have a beautiful day.
You too.
Signal. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.